you took some notes because I sure did, and I just want to quickly recap. So if you didn't take notes, just remember, there's no linear path. People want to work with people that they like working with. Understanding what every department does makes you a better entry level at all costs. Saying yes to coffee, saying yes to taking out the garbage, saying yes to whatever opportunity is out there is going to get you the furthest. Be persistent, not annoying, but professional. Very important. Network and advocate for yourself. Let people know that you're looking for a job, start coming to other events, all these things that are going to help you build that network. So LinkedIn, sending those emails, having something to showcase your work. Communication. Quite important, knowing how to write emails, how to approach people, how to be professional, and reading the room on when you're not supposed to communicate. Amazing. Thank you all so much.